Imagine you open your email today and you have an email from your IT guy saying that you have to replace your server. And he gave you a quotation. And the quotation is maybe 10,000, 15,000, 30,000 US dollars. What will you think? Okay, why now? I have a solution for you. We don't sell hardware, we don't sell service, but we can give you access to our 2IBI Primavera Cloud. With 2IBI Primavera Cloud, you don't have to make a big initial investment because you pay a monthly fee for what you use. It means that every month you can decide if you need more specifications, if you need more processes, more memory or less, and you pay as you use. So this is a much more flexible way of using infrastructure. You don't have to invest in hardware, you don't have to maintain hardware, so your total cost of ownership is much lesser than if you have to invest on a local server. So 2IBI Primavera Cloud is a good way to be financially efficient, wisely financially efficient, to make investments on your infrastructure to host your Primavera software.